This one now we to read for ground.
Understanding. You guys go take talk to your husband. Oh, my Ronan is finished. You go talk. You get look. Every man get your own responsibility.
You will get time talk. I'm not the politics we come talk for here now. We come talk waiting there for ground.
This program one of the watch so you not get any political color as the matter be for ground and we be given us so.
Police na the only problem we Nigeria get. People wey dey close to government, na dem wanna dey tell government the truth.
Yes, so we don't call my matter for ground, but this one matter for ground now. Well, the shook ma for any matter we say concern in society. Any matter at all, if it government matter, the shook ma put education matter, we talk about family matter, we yanam money matter, pikin matter, any matter, relationship matter, join as far as the matter concern society, we yanam for here. And today matter are still based on our education matter, how they fit to make money for inside education. A system. Now we talk today for matter for so make it not come out because you self go ring us, make it a shook for the matter we say carry come today. Now me, little babe, with plenty swag. The swag not get part 2. AKA. So make me just cheer the come around this matter and I carry come today. Now just there they come.
If you ask me, now who I go ask? The matter where we see, so it's a waste time. No be me go talk, be heavy for mouth. If you ask me, the matter for crown. Now who I go ask?
Yes, so my people don't come talk the matter as it concern education and for Delta State and even for Nigeria. Last week now we talking about the 3 new universities. Say our governor Delta State, Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, don't give the people of Delta State and people say they live from inside Delta State. Okay, we won't talk some matter as it concern that 3 new university, but today we want to talk about how money fit they come out for education and matter for this 3 new university and other schools obviously for Nigeria. So not believe me there to talk this one and get and my brother would don't go follow me, make all of us join body and talk this matter will carry come today. So more can go meet okay, greet you. You just a smile. I like that spirit of smiling. Good. Okay, Organa Dan Olubo. Okay. Organa Business Development Consultant. I greet you. Okay. I get my brother here, gentleman. How are you there?
I did fine. Delta and good afternoon.
They don't hear you in Archie Anthony. Archie Anthony na lecturer Federal College, technical for Asaba. I greet you. Okay, Oga, here my intro for the matter now. Last week we did hear our commissioner, the immediate passport. In now still one of the new commissioners don't bring person of Professor Patrick Mogari, the new person when it comes to higher education matter for Delta State. They can tell us how did they go for the 3 new university. One of the matter we will talk for here for matter for ground. We get one vocal arguments, so people don't understand the matter. Because I thank God to say they for matter for ground, may you can let people know what they for ground as it concerns the 3 new university. You can talk about the PPP. You know, say before now, why I bring you as a business consultant, and I know this matter passes, you know, because okay, I bring person who say really know the cocoa for the matter now, you understand? So if as we talk, so people still get that mind say, when you talk about PPP, private-public partnership, it means say that matter don't turn private. So people come to fear, say, hey, the 3 university that say don't bring come on. Now they want to now to private to and go affect with children. Would they now make them build a new university? Go affect with country brothers and sisters will be lecturer for the school. The matter can go up, come down. But thank God, that last week our Oga professor he come explain how the matter but still on the matter. Some people still they believe say I beg you, once na PPP, na private. That's okay. You will be saying you know be the business consultant, so you can give us the yarn is more to understand this matter. So we get to talk about this small touring and just carry comes.
Okay. Our people are salute to now. When we say matter na PPP, public-private partnership, is a platform where go make people where hold money, hold technology in the private sector, make they come join government in the public sector, make them do some things in that sector, make it for good. Now, say they bring PPP into this sector, no means say it go come out work for teachers hand, it go come out business for anybody hand, but rather it will help to create development. It will help to make things easier, both for lecturer and for students. It will help make things they go on very well for the institution. Say then they bring private people to come, no means say, you know, things now go out of hand. No. PPP is to ensure that that sector is working well if they do the right things. Yes.
Okay, not be say you don't turn private matter.
No, not be say you don't turn private matter. As in to think because one, you see say all these years, now government they bring money, they pay for lecturers, so they pay to run the school, now government they bring money. But PPP is designed in a way make money now come from private sector, because private sector now then hold money pass. Make money now come, make fresh ideas come through technology input, through capacity building, so that the schools now would now be able to generate money from their activity, from the things where they do. You understand? They're going to generate money from the things where they're going to do. Now, if you know do them like that, it means say government, now money where government will take do other things, they spend that, take the fund, you understand? And we don't, where everybody for this country knows our economy be. So if government now they say, okay, they want to bring PPP into the education sector through these universities now, it means say they want, I think, that within the carry for mind be say, how they go take do them, make it better. You understand? But not be say, because say they bring them come, now to privatize the school in a way that people where they go to school no go fit afford them again or anything.
Okay, like I talk, say that you be business consultant, but most people they talk, people they for street. They talk say if these public people now can't bring, according to you, their money into the system. No, anywhere where businessman put money, you will want get so you go call gain or profit. You understand? So we're going to fear say if they can't put their money, the profits so what they want try get for the money they put for the system, so they go affect, you know, the students and even maybe the teachers there. So make you tell us, let us know.
Okay, yes. When you bring the private sector in, they are not talking about investment. The person is putting in money, is putting in capacity. So, and within a period of time, he is expected, say, you go get, you go expect, say, that money we don't put in, so, say, go recover and back. But because, say, the process, the way they take the finance, now go determine, one, what thing government want achieve with the process. Government, they bring the person in, say, okay, will they bring this businessman in, say, when they do this thing, say, it no matter whether the price go up because, say, they invest money, or government want do one, make it still be, say, it go be like the model way, all the while when they sponsor, say, things they cheap, things they better, for students and parents who send their children to school. Now, government and the institution will define. Now, for the first investor, what did they bring come? The truth of the matter is that you cannot do this type of business without a feasibility, which is a report where go show say the business is they viable or is not they viable. Now, but government go now define for the investor, say, this business wey you wan do, how you go take do am wey the cost no go up? Government must define it. How you go take do am wey parents no go pay more? How you go take do am make prices come down? It is now the investor who will look at it because of the idea wey you wan bring come for the business. Now you go now know how you will now prepare the feasibility based on the resources wey the institution get on ground to now prepare the feasibility in a way wey they go take do the business so that the prices will not go up. If these things are not done like this, it means say the fears wey people get for street, they are justified.
Okay, I will come back to what you Oga talk. Say government go sit down with the private investors on how they will fit enter the matter if they say the price not go up. But I would there for Nigeria, I don't know how things go. Before I will come ask you that one, how possible if they make I meet my lecturer, I bring you because you do for inside the educational system. They see how things they go. You don't hear within the business consultant talk. You as a lecturer and you be as a person who say don't they into the system for long period. Now what you get to talk for this matter?
Everywhere for the world, we know say government alone not go fit carry the load of education, because education we both what they call capital intensive. That is money way they inside the big way. In fact, if you calculate the money when they take to train one person for school, from primary school go reach university, that money big way. And if you calculate how much when it be say if they take school to make one student to day school from first day when he enter school, maybe if na primary school, to the last day when he finish primary school for primary 6, na big money, because money dey to pay teachers, buy instructional materials, to maintain the school environment. And you look and say, if you compare many government schools and private schools, you go discover say private school they pay big school fees, because those private school, why they pay big school fees be saying they know they get money from anywhere. Now they depend on the school fees where the student they pay. Now they run the school. But you go discover say government school, according to policy on education, say primary school be free. You go discover say if you go government school, you discover say as population they increase, our budget for education not they increase like that. Meaning say when population increase, more people go school. Now because if you go government school now, you know they be like private school. You go see one class, 70 people go there. Class where they make for maybe 35-40 persons. Because government, it don't they heavy on them to provide more school. In fact, if you take look at for the history of education of Asaba, you go discover say over many years, the number of new schools where they don't build for Asaba not plenty reach the number of people where they don't born for Asaba within some time. So that one go tell you say, now make many private schools come they spring up. If you go every corner for this town now, private schools they some they on that zinc, some na plank, some even bacha, anyhow. But because the population too much, now make it be saying this type of schools they get students. Now coming to what you talk, you go discover say for school not gonna be like as it did before. Facilities not gonna plenty like as it did because if you go this government school, the government know if they provide money as they provide before. Why? And because government they all of us in this country where they say economy not good, economy not good, money where government they receive as revenue don't reduce. And the education itself supposed to they produce some things too where go they assist government. So now waiting this initiative be so as it be for our schools now we say government alone not go fit provide everything where go make school run. And some persons, some schools where don't try this PPP, they come for different forms and for different area of school. You know, you get what that they call BOT, build, operate, and transfer. That one that they use and they develop many hostels. In fact, some of these private schools where we they see private investing, now what that they do? You go see some private, you go maybe one individual or church just open university. Within 2, 3, 4, 5 years, if you go the place, they don't build them, it just be like paradise. You go they wonder where they get all this money. That mission, that church or that individual not get all those money. Now PPP, they don't attract some private individuals where we say they can't get interest. Now from the small experience where we don't get, you go discover say wetin dey happen be say most of these PPP projects, because some na in form of project, some na in form of program, because the area of PPP plenty. We get area of programs and projects, like for example, and maybe I be from Asaba, and I decide say for one of these universities where they open, maybe Osadenis University for Anwai, so I decide say I want help my people make them fit go school. I go decide to give scholarship, or I go come say okay, like Asaba be there for area of mathematics. It's okay for this department. Anybody wey see GPA reach so this thing, I go begin pay in school fees. That one na way to cushion the effect. That one na more on the parent side, to reduce the burden of paying of school fees. Then we get area of project. You know, like our guy wey be the business guru talk. You know, before you go enter that kind PPP arrangement, you go make sure say no be wetin go wound you, because most of the projects, most of those build, operate and transfer na long-term project. That is, if you don build finish, for instance, you go like a federal college now, you say you wan build hostel. The school tell you say see the building plan, see the where we get, see wetin we dey look, capacity wey go take like 2,000 students and the rest. They go tell you say okay, agreement go dey, you go say okay, wetin the thing go cost, you go look and if you say 1 billion naira. Now 1 billion naira, how long e go take you to recover your money? Because anybody wey invest must make gain. So na there they go tell you say okay, we don wan make, because the school no get money and government wey set up the school no get money to build that kind of hostel. The thing they go tell you say okay, wetin we wan do be say na long-term investment, not be say you go build that today, tomorrow you wan get all your money back. If e be like that, then the school fees go high. But if e be say okay, that's okay, this thing wey you build, e go take you 10 years to recover your money. Na there na everything wey oga dey try to explain to us, say na you know whether if you put that kind of money, you get the ability to stay for 10 years to get the money, because the people wey wan pay for the service na the students. So as dem dey pay the hostel accommodation every year, the money dey come to you. So when the number of years wey una agree don reach, you go say okay, you go know, because like e talk, you get wetin dem dey call feasibility study. Dem go don check and say if this school continue to get this population of students wey go dey stay the hostel for this period, e go don enable this man to recover im capital and make small profit wey e dey on top. Then when e don finish, e go hand over all the documents, say thank you for giving me the opportunity to run this business, so I don gather my money back, take una document, the hostel na una get am. Na so many private universities or private higher institutions take dey run. Na be the PPP wey we dey talk. E dey for different form. E fit be for rendering of service. Maybe you get your ICT center, you know say education now don dey tend towards use of technology, and somebody dey wan render service, okay, government say to subscribe for internet wey we go take dey teach, na maybe na 500,000 per month. Government go tell you say they no get that kind of money, and school itself go tell you say they no get that kind of money. So they go charge and put for students school fees. Wey be say as they dey pay school fees every year, that money you go fit take and dey pay the organization wey dey provide the internet. E still fit be for like a form of the various schools go dey set up wetin we dey call consult. You know, they all be like business unit. So you go discover say for instance now the school where they teach, we get pure water company where be say they produce pure water. Sometimes you feel say okay, we don't make this pure water company make it be business, so we go register them with Corporate Affairs Commission. We go now say everybody come buy shares. You understand? So it can't be company or business where the school can't get. It dey for many forms. The PPP plenty. So if schools and government wey dey set up the school explore all this area of PPP, I dey tell you, instead of people to dey pay high school fees, they go dey pay very small school fees. I know many schools for Nigeria here wey be say food wey dem dey chop for the hostess, na the school na im dey grow the food. Dem get big farm wey dem call mechanized farm wey be say dem get tractor wey dey work for them. They even the PPP sef still bring additional employment outside the normal employment wey government go give people wey dey work for the institution. Because take for example now the pure water factory, that one be in another business wey the school don set up wey be say e dey bring money to the school, and it don't still create employment opportunity for people to come into that sector.
Okay, the way Mr. Achite talk, he can show say PPP, where government talk about say they want drink, but if they do this university, it's going to be bad thing. Because when the people, when people still understand them before, now cause the big wahala. But when you talk about so it's sweet, but they mention more of private schools, they use this system. We think what they happen is if our government don't know this matter and the young people for grant, so before now, be waiting they happen. Consultant.
Maybe say they no know. The problem where they inside the matter, now the style where they take the do am. Now, you say you want to do PPP, or you want to do like this, you want to do like that, make things for, make you show people say, oh, they do something. But the people want to come contact where go do am, no be the right people.
Yes.
If you don't bring the right people into the process, you won't achieve anything. That's why we say when they finish now, prices they go up. Instead of price to come down, price they go up. And now that price where they go up, make people they fear now.
Yeah.
Say make you no be say now that the government want carry people for their neck again. Now what okay, from what my brother talk here, hostel no be the only issue where they for school matter. Now inside school, some schools now no get good pipe-borne water where they service the school.
Good toilet facility.
No good public toilet facility inside the school. And then, in some places, the services, the maintenance services inside the school, they're very poor. You understand? Now, all these things account for poor administration. One, between the school management, then the government where they supervise, where set up the school. The people now that they put in certain places to handle some of these supervisory functions, majority of them don't know what thing they do. They go for back, bring people now put, where they represent their interest. All of these things are corruption. And then make prices they go up. That is why I've been talking for beginning. Say government go try define, the institution go define. What will be the purpose? We want to do this thing. What will be the purpose? Now, when you say PPP, everywhere in the world, once PPP enter into a project, prices come down. The people are more satisfied. The people are happy. Because now when you don't commercialize the matter, it means say prices will come down because you are not talking of volume. Now, like my brother mentioned, and I said it earlier, if we set up a consult in a school, we now say, what are the resources? What will be the resources where they ground that can be exploited? Based now, somebody where they interested to say, you want to invest, when you look at it, go say, okay, if I put money for this side in the next 5 or 10 years, say I will recover my money, but the service would have been created.
Yeah.
You understand? Okay, now as these institutions did, when we talk about water, let us also talk about power. Let we talk about power.
Okay, Oga Dan, we will come back. We will just sharply go small break. They will come back. You want to tell me other ways, Abi?
Yes.
Talk about power and water, because those things they need them for this
Too much.
The system of
Yes.
education is our higher institution. Okay, my people, we will just sharply go short break. We will come back and we will talk this matter well. And when we come back, you will come ring us, make you say shook your mouth for this matter, because education matter and matter basically affects everybody for society. So they come make you just chill. Then you will call ring us as we come back.
Ask me, now who I go ask? No matter where we see, so it's a way start. No be me go talk, be heavy for mouth. If you ask me, no matter for crown, now who I go ask?
Yes, so my people will come back in the matter program with this one, and we'll talk about the education matter for Delta State. And our screen go there, our number go there for your screen. Make you say ring us, make you say shook man for this matter who carry come. I still get my brothers here for studio. I get Mr. Dan. I greet you. Okay, Mr. Dan, a business development consultant. And I still get with me Mr. Archie Anthony, himself now, lecturer. Okay, before we go the short break, we talk about other ways, talk about power and water. We hear Shapali.
Now, if we look well, around this our country, you see, when we talk about PPP investment for school, na hostel, because people feel say hostel side, na their money go quick from come out quick. So investors tend to go that way. But there are more important things, and there are so many other avenues where money go take come out of. Now, high institution, some of them they get problem with electricity. Them and NEPA, they fight over light, and sometimes NEPA go come cut the light. Abi, I talk to you. We can't cut light. School no go get light. Now generator, they go buy diesel and fuel. Those things they disrupt the academic calendar, the academic process in the school. Okay, on top of that, water no dey. You know go enter laboratory, see say pump dey run, make you say you use toilet finish, water dey run. One story or the other. Okay, assuming we say PPP in that area, what is required is that somebody must come, set up a sewage system that has water treatment. Now, that sewage system, only that one organization, that business, will solve so many things inside the school. Number one, all the whole sewage, all the whole waste is gathered in one place, is treated. From it, we produce fertilizer, we produce powder fertilizer, produce liquid fertilizer, that the institution now can sell. If it's BOT or whatever, they can now sell these resources and make money from it. Now, through the gas, they will have gas tanks. Through the gas that is generated, biogas, they generate electricity. They generate enough electricity to power the whole institution and sell.
They go sell?
Yes, sell to the discos or those communities. Say, okay, we get enough electricity. We don't take the one we will use. We can sell. I understand that even government, according to power law, allows you to generate up to 5 megawatts that you can use. You say? They try. So, so you go generate up to 5 megawatts where they go fit sell, where you go use from and then sell. How many schools they use 5 megawatts? School fee they use 5 megawatts? No. Highest they go use like 2 or 3 megawatts of electricity. The remaining one they sell out. This way they are making money. Now everything no go there for say when they invest money for hostel. And small thing person want invest, they say in a hostel, you go build hostel.
Because even when Professor Patrick dey here, what he mention most times now, hostel. So what other ways they be say they go fit generate revenue?
Ways plenty. Now, if one resource they do water treatment, they do sewage, from the sewage is producing fertilizer, both powdered and liquid fertilizer, then do biogas, from the biogas generate electricity. Yeah? Now you have supplied water all around the school. Sanitary systems are all working well now.
And also, for our most of I'm coming. Also want to mention, so if you go look into our educational system, our university, not just in Delta State, but we country, most of all these things not the work. Because even that the last edition I asked say how our educational system for Nigeria, where we say Delta State safe, they inside the lecture will be say in like my brothers will come talk say, let me say the quality not there, but say if they low. I remember say come talk say because this maybe science they need laboratory, some all these small things they need to teach, class they overpopulated, all these things now make the educational quality so they reduce. So if you look into our system, you see most people say they carry their children, go abroad, go school. And all this one they talk so. Not they for their abroad, Abi. Yes. Not they for their abroad system. And most of these people they carry them so. Most of them are politicians. I beg. You understand now?
Yes.
Where they carry their children go?
Because they get money now. They get money. Now, our people, children wait there for school here. You never observe see we dey bring out graduate every year.
Plenty.
Graduate wey no fit produce anything. You go hear the course wey you read. Now, fault no be say the lecturers or the school that no dey try. But when the resources wey they need to do the work no dey there or no dey enough, the lecturer no fit do im work well, the student sef, the condition of the environment and situation no dey conducive for am now to learn the course well. Are you following me? So a result to one thing, school makeshift, student makeshift, everything na makeshift.
I think sorry sir, they cut in. I think now this now one area where it be say most people wey be say na dem dey govern schools go put their leg for ground, because e get wetin we dey call academic autonomy. You know, this now one of the things wey make most trade union for higher institutions, especially ASUU, don go strike many times. You go discover say the art wey dey set up schools, you know, each school e get art wey dey set up. Even private schools, you know, private university, you no go just wake up one morning you set up school, you go don pass many process, government go say okay, because you don fit meet this requirement, so go operate school. You go discover say that law wey give you power to set up school also give the chief executive of that school some power to operate certain things. But you know the way our system be for this country, you go discover say vice chancellor or rector or provost of institution go dey, if you wan take any action, you go dey look high. If na state school, you go dey look the side wey governor dey. If na federal school, you go dey look federal ministry of education, make e no go match leg for where e no suppose match. But schools get autonomy to do some of these things wey my oga dey talk for here. They get power to, if you check the act wey be say is established in school, you empower the schools to enter into all these things. But sometimes you go see some, because of interest here and there, because of system wey be say e don spoil well. Even when some of these projects come, you go see some people again, because say dem dey for either governing council or whatever, dem close to people wey dey go wan put hand inside. So na the thing wey dey kill school. And you go discover say, for example, wetin e dey talk, e dey doable for Ghana here, dem dey do am. You know, I don visit one school where be say the source of electricity, the thing wey they take dey cook for the school, na the school na im dey supply am. The electricity wey dey there, even quarters wey dey inside school, dem get meter. The meter na school na im dey pay the money to, not be to public electricity distribution company. So these things dey doable for here. Like him talk, until when government and the institutions go say this thing wey we dey see e don do, make we turn a new leaf. I like wetin the professor talk for the last week program, when he dey talk about, you know, when they ask her about this PPP, because say this thing dey law since, not be say e no dey. E dey the law, all the law say, but the truth be say that aspect of the law, nobody don say this thing make we push am, until when we go begin push am, you go discover say person wey fit just come, fit waka come say, federal college una dey get electricity problem, he say yes, okay, see wetin I fit offer, dem go enter into negotiation. When the negotiation go well, you go discover say through that person dem don solve that electricity problem. If na water problem, dem go fit solve the water problem. And if you reach to the extent wey be say you go get so much water, you go begin dey from your institution dey supply the neighborhood water, then water go dey flow for people. Not be say they will come sing their own private but
what do they think? What did they ring for my head? Be say, I don't talk too many things. I will talk about how Ghana University they be, because one time every person go, one of you go abroad, one go Ghana, and at the same African country. You understand? Nigeria parents go pack their pikin, go Ghana, and like at times this kind of thing happen for Nigeria. So what can be the problem?
The problem dey simple.
We have no problem, no fit suffer. Not be so.
The problem dey simple. People wey dey for up for our government, they no dey tell themselves truth, and they no dey tell us truth. Now, when you look the law wey dey for this country, we get good laws, but where problem come dey na the interpretation of the law. when you reach for interpretation, you go surprise say the same people wey make the law, na then they break am, na then they spoil am. When you no allow pikin wey dey grow to waka when e suppose waka, no be guru don turn to. Na it don happen for Nigeria. Now we know all these things. Like he said, the school suppose get certain level of autonomy to do certain things. But why they no dey come do am? Because certain people, either in the state government or in the Federal Ministry of Education, still they put interest, still they prevent them from doing those things that they are supposed to do. Now, if they leave the field open, say, oh yeah, make una help on ourselves, you will see things start happening. Ghana didn't get to help us.
No.
Are there more educated people in Ghana? No. South Africa encore? No. Okay, we feel say South Africa they work because Oyibo still did here. What of here? Majority of our people will go school for this country. Many don't go abroad, go school. They go see all those things abroad, they go come back. Allow the thing to happen here. Personal interest no dey gree our people. Corruption no gree or see road. Nice point.
But with all these things, they affect the kind of graduate we see with the produce.
Okay, you go see person wey go study computer science, for instance. Wey be say before he graduate, he go don pass through many process. No programming, no this, no that. But you go, if you ask am, he go say, maybe only 1 or 2 times he don fit press computer. How you go fit employ that kind of person? Because for interview, they go say, okay, since you study computer, you see computer, begin the press and make with the see. The person since morning, he go dey sweat.
And in a graduate of
yes,
that,
and for technical aspect, I mean, for engineering aspect. In fact, sometimes one of my friends they tell me say, what will they produce na mechanic self? Even mechanic better pass most of our engineers. Now that they correct and say, if we understand what in engineering be, you know, different from technical whatever. So our people, as they study engineering, they're supposed to design something. But today,
but they say most of our graduates, they feel they compete.
Yes.
They feel they compete all over.
Yes,
world.
You know why we they feel they boast like that.
Smile.
You see, make I give you one story. One of my friends wey travel go Canada. He say she don be nurse for Nigeria many years. Then they hail and say na good nurse she be. But when he reach there, he do the exam, he pass. But when they tell carry and go practical, as he see the equipment, she nearly faint.
Maybe never see her before.
You never see her before. Not to talk less of to operate. Now me I confess say abeg, make una tell me how they operate.
Na theory a pass. Why a pass theory? The infrastructure, machinery, where they go take trainer for here no dey. And because say we expect say government no go do everything. Opportunity dey, Nigerians dey wey get money, willing to invest. But opportunity no there for them to make the investment.
In fact, now that aspect, now me I want really hammer before we come up for studio. Because you see and say, I won't talk more to the chief executive of the institution.
Okay.
If now continue to the wait, say until government go empower you, they're not going to ever empower you. I think time don't reach where you get what they call turn and gown, where they will begin to let people know say opportunity there for people to come invest. Even though for people who want to do them on humanitarian grant, people who want to do them on business, make them call schools, areas where they go fit put their money there and they go fit get their money back. If they do so, our schools go there better.
Okay, last word, one comment said, Ogadan.
My word, advice now to government. In don't talk to the school. My own to government be say, make una open the door. Make una open the door. Make people will get interest come. The right people who are qualified. Yes. Okay, then when they do something, say people like us, they're outside. Say make them bring a consultant come. When you waiting, the matter dey, so that you go advise, you go guide. Yes. They no go one drum. Rather, they go put their person name we don't know anything. Things cannot continue like this. You no go good make it they continue like this. Every year they produce graduates we no fit do anything, and we are satisfied as a nation. It cannot continue. The sector has to be revamped. We need to do something to change the sector.
Do well. Thank you. And we don't talk plenty things as a concern in our education. Say a nation will produce students or graduates. Maybe say in long go fit defend waiting go learn for. That not be better thing for a country or a nation. Be say one grow and one better for himself and for those who live for the society. My contribution for time should also come. I sharply greet Mr. Dan Olupo in the business development consultant. And thank you. I want to thank Oga Archie Anthony in a lecturer for Federal College Education for Asaba. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
And people, they don't talk, they beg with government. They say if any country, any nation want better, make it shukai for this education. The country wants a reason where. So they use this to beg government. Say, make you not do corruption for as a concern education. They beg you, government for matter for grant. Until I come and go to another matter, we say concern society. Make una stay when I go. Watch us tomorrow. Repeat 9 p.m. for Delta TV and also for YouTube. Make una watch us even for Instagram. We did the matter for ground. Once you just do the matter for ground, you will see us. Make una stay well. Now me aka Tori Babe, we get plenty swag. Na bye bye. Asalotu.
Now who I go out? No matter where we see, so it's a waste time. No be me go talk, be heavy for mouth. If you ask me, no matter for crown. Now who I go out? For the reason why I'm soliloquizing. Yeah. The things where I they see, where I they hear, I know go lie past me. Oh, I want to tell the story, but I've got to tell it from the starting. Yeah. About a man, a woman, and your girl begin. Wait till the second verse before my story begin. If you ask me, now who I go ask? No matter where we see. Go out. Oh, the woman travel, leave her daughter with the husband home alone. Hey, you know, say I think you see the man is daughter and then they play strongly. Yeah. A month later, the daughter say her period delay. I asked her who touched her, she say her daddy only. I don't know what to say, I don't know what to tell her mother. It be like say she gets a ballet. If you go high. Oh, hey, now who I go ask? Hey, the story where I talk it be like say I did play, but all this type of things they happen every day. Speak out or take some action, I beg you no delay. No make matters worse past as a day, as a day.